Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use a wire stripper cutter like this item. One is they usually have a lock here, so you can see that. Just pull that out, the jaw is open. There are grooves for different wire sizes. The wire sizes are measured in AWG, the smallest number being the widest diameter, all the way from 14 up to 24 being a small diameter. On this case, it's also measured in millimeters on the other side. There's a tip for a pair of pliers if you need to grab onto something, and also down here in the beginning, the jaws here, that's the cutter. So if you need to cut wire, that's where that is. So first thing, as a quick demonstration, is I'm going to strip about a 1/4 inch off the end of the wire here. So I'm just peeling these two apart. I don't know the wire size here, so I'm going to estimate the groove size. I'll go with 16 first, and I just put it in about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. Hold the wire steady, cramp down, and then twist it, and that cuts the insulation around the wire, and then you can push it. So that was actually too big, so I'm going to go down one groove to 18, twist it to cut the insulation, and then push off the insulation. So there you have the a little bit of wire insulation stripped off the end of a wire, and you're ready to solder with it or do whatever you need to. If you need to cut something, you just use the cutter here, and that cuts off a little bit. So that's a wire stripping tool, and you'll need that for a lot of these projects.